Welcome. If you want to quickly take a photo and save it directly to your Dropbox, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to capture a photo within the Dropbox app and have it saved instantly. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the plus button, usually located at the bottom center or top right of your screen, and tap on it. This button gives you options to add new content directly into your Dropbox. Next, among those options, select Take a Photo. Instantly, your device's camera will open, letting you frame whatever you want to capture right then and there. Whether it's a quick snapshot of a document, a beautiful scene, or anything else, position your camera so the photo looks just right. Once you're happy with the view, go ahead and take the photo by tapping the shutter button. After snapping the picture, you'll see a preview on your screen. If you like it, tap OK to confirm. At this moment, Dropbox will save the photo directly into your account. No extra uploading steps needed. This process keeps your photos neatly stored in Dropbox, making it easy to access them from any device, share with friends or family, or keep your phone's storage free. It's a quick and secure way to back up your pictures right as you take them. And that's it. Just open Dropbox, hit plus, tap Take a Photo, snap your shot, and tap OK. Your photo is saved instantly and ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.